What's up, internet? Thanks for tuning in and checking out my channel. This is my very first video I've ever made for Brickford Garage. Nickname's Brick. I love Fords, so my buddy came up with the nickname Brickford. Anyways, unfortunately we're not going to be working on a Ford on this first video. So what we do have is a 1982 Chevy C10 schlong bed, if you would. It's in pretty good shape. And I'm gonna do what I can do to restore it. Quick glance at a real truck. Just got done putting a 4-inch BDS kit on that on 35s. Everything's pretty solid. There's not a lot of rust on this truck. Gonna be doing a barrage of improvements to it. New carpet, seat cover, be doing a headliner, got a windshield coming. Gonna put some original rally wheels on it with some Cooper Cobra rather. Let's see here. And pop the hood. Check out this engine bay. Not much to it. We'll jazz this up in here a little bit. Again, not a lot of rust. I think there's a couple little spots down here in the door, but it's not horrible. I'll show you some of the things that we will be doing to it. I've already ordered a bunch of this stuff. Plugs and wires, water pump, thermostat, coolant, all the new headlamps, tail lights, gauge cover, little vice grip garage, wipe on clear coat, weather stripping, that's for the door actuators and the windows, rather. Some shocks. Apparently we're only doing 3. They didn't send me the other one. A new seat cover and a new carpet. So basically try to bring this thing back to life, get it running good, and I will do my best to film the whole thing. So if you got any questions or even ideas that you can throw my way, you want me to do to the truck or not do, just let me know. I appreciate you following along. Now, I'll take some lacquer, wipe all off this residue, see if we can't get this thing cleaned up a little bit. So it looks pretty good. We got new trim coming, and this is all smooth. Nice spot, nice smooth surface for it to adhere to. I'm gonna see if I can't do something with that rust. I'm gonna hit it maybe with a little 220, smooth it out, and then touch it up with a little silver paint. It'll be good to go for this farm truck. All right, this thing cleaning up pretty good so far. Got the carpet out and the seat. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this so we can get ready to start installing the new carpet. All right, it's all cleaned up. Show you what the old carpet versus the new carpet. A little bit nicer. While I was cleaning the inside out, the air filter and battery showed up. That was nice. Now I don't have to jump start the thing every time I want to move it.